Here's a 2008 Volkswagen New Beetle Coupe. Stylish, fun, iconic. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: AM/FM satellite radio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, i5 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Volkswagen, where safety and performance come standard. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.